Hello friends, today we will continue our study on the human body, focusing on the subsystem of the skeleton. Let's talk more about how the shape that we have is really determined by our skeleton shape. So the title of our article is called The Shape of Your Shape. The Shape of Your Shape. Okay, humans and many other animals have skeletons inside, adentro, their bodies. The internal skeleton gives the body its shape. Without a skeleton, your body would be one big blob. An animal's shape depends on its skeleton, too. Look at the skeletons below. Can you tell which animal skeletons they are? So you'll take a look at these, and in case you're curious, you can actually turn your paper upside down and find the answer underneath. Okay? What's inside your bones? That's the question we're going to answer in this paragraph. The bones in your body are living tissue. How many of you thought they were empty inside? No. They are made mostly of calcium and protein, calcio, proteína. To stay strong, bones need oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. A good diet and plenty of exercise, exercicio, can help keep bones healthy and strong. A bone is made up of several different parts. These parts include the following. Let's take a look at the parts. So I'm counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and that's why this is a teaching diagram. We're going to take a close look at that, okay? So let's look at the hard outer layer. That would be this part that I've outlined here in orange. The hard outer layer gives the bone its strength, fortaleza. It is made of dense, compact bone. Second part is called the spongy inner layer, and that's part over here. Okay? The spongy inner layer makes the bone light, liviano. This same spongy material makes up the ends of the bone. I'm thinking that this part here reminds me of una esponja, a sponge. It has all those little holes in it. The next part is blood vessels. I did not know blood is inside our bones. Let's read more. Blood vessels bring oxygen and other nutrients to the bone. The next part is the marrow cavity. Marrow cavity, right over here. A cavity, have you ever heard of a cavity in a tooth? That's when you have a hole in your tooth. In this case, it's a hole inside your bones. I wonder if all bones have that. The marrow cavity is the space in the center of the bone. It contains bone marrow. The marrow cavity is found only in long bones, such as the leg and arm bones. Here is the bone marrow. So if I had to actually put something in here, I see a little bit of, there's something inside here. Bone marrow is a kind of tissue, células, that makes blood cells. It is found in the marrow cavity of some bones. Remember, legs and arms. And then finally, this part over here, that's that hard white, it's kind of like, that's the part we see when we see a skeleton, is the periosteum. It is a thin, tough layer that covers the bone surface. So your whole bone is covered up. You don't have this exposed. It would be covered up with this hard part on the outside. Okay, so today, boys and girls, we learned that our bones are not empty inside. They actually have something that is super important to us, and that is blood, the construction of blood inside some of our bones. And they are made up of calcium and protein to help us stay strong and fit. All right, continue reading the article again on your own, and then after that, you will answer some questions. Good luck, readers.